Welcome my friends, it's Yuri. We had started our weekly market analysis. I will show you my best thoughts about major instruments. I will show you technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and where you can open entries with low predictable risk. That's why right now push like, subscribe on my YouTube channel. Also below you will find a link on my trading new page, on my Telegram channel. Open all of them and subscribe. Few seconds, as you can see, also my phone. On my phone, I got notification that this webinar had started. My friends, I only would like to write here that this webinar had started. At this moment, write down about quality of video and sound. If everything good, just write down that Yuri, yes, I hear you pretty good. We had started. We had started. Also my friends, type into a chat what questions do you have about some instruments. Maybe you have some questions about trading, all of that. Also, before we will start, I would like to share with you our results on especially on our crypto signals. My friends, take a look. Many of you saw that Bitcoin dropped down. As you can see, we sent signal that Bitcoin can drop June 9. At this moment, as you can see, Bitcoin hit second take profit, and all our VIP members satisfied with that. Also, you can become our VIP member and you can join our crypto signals. At this moment, I would like to share with you results. As you can see, it is our crypto results. And take a look here. April, as you can see, April was 70% of profit trades. May was nearly 60% of profit trades. June, at this moment, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 take profits, only 3 stop losses, and take profit always in many times bigger. Also, VIP members, as you can see, we have cornucopy system, half automatic. Also, nearly every day I record analysis where what you can do. The same we do with FX market. That's why right now below this analysis you will find a link, open and subscribe. Okay, let's come back to our weekly market outlook, and I would like, let's come back here. I would like to, okay, it's okay, I hear you, yes, I hear you, I hear you, bro. Hello from Greece. Yes, hello from Greece, nice to see you here, Greece. My friends, what we will do today, once more, as you saw only my face, once more I would like to share statistic on crypto market. As you can see here, it is statistic because you saw only my face. At this moment, my friends, right now, as you can see here, take profit on Bitcoin, which we sent so many days ago. You can be a part of our VIP group. As you can see, we have 162 people on FX market and 31% on crypto market. Signals, take profit, stop losses, updates, video analysis that will help you trade far better. Can you minimize yourself a little bit so we see your screen? Yes, I just did it because I forgot about that. Okay, my friends, let's start our analysis. Right now, write down in the chat what instruments would you like me to analyze. Let's go. Let's go. First, as always, I would like to start from FX market. Main reason, take a look here, what's going on. Type into a chat, is it okay for you when I analyze bars? Is it okay for you? As always, we start from Euro USD. Okay, let's do it today here. Okay, good. Euro USD at this moment, as you can see, we have this key level. From this key level, from those key levels, price bounced so many times. At this moment, the main point, what you need to see, the price were in this 2-month range. After that, uptrend had started. To be honest, I don't think that after this trend will change. At this moment, what can happen? I believe that with huge possibility price will continue uptrend and will hit at least this key level. But at this moment, hard to say will price will do from this point or from this or from this. But you need to know that current trend is up. That's why with huge possibility price will continue. For me, it's hard to believe that price will continue down drop because as you can see, after this reload, daily candle even didn't close. Especially if this daily candle will close above, huge possibility trend will continue uprise. Okay, what questions? Brent UK oil. Okay, I will do it. Bitcoin. Okay, I'll do it. I'll do Bitcoin. British pound USD. At this moment, British pound here, the price bounced from this key level, as you can see. At this moment, we have inside mirror level from which price also bounced. That's why, what can I tell you? At this moment, everything looks like British pound will continue uprise, because if you will open even 4 hour, you would see many bounce. What you need to see, we had this accumulation before uprise. Also, we have this key level from which price bounced so many times. That's why I think with huge possibility price will do a pullback. But this picture is not such accurate like here. Why? Because here we have solid accumulation in small area here. That's why about British pound I would skip it. About British pound, Japanese yen, this accumulation, this head and shoulders, as you can see here, if price will hit this area, nearly that area, we can open buy, because pullback with huge possibility will happen. Gold, as you can see here, accurate mirror level, pull back to this key level can create accurate sell. Also, gold still inside of this huge range. That's why what you need to see and what you need to remember always, when price in a range, you can trade only inside when you have only powerful level. As you can see here, from this level price bounced so many times before. That's why we pay attention to this key level. In other cases, you can trade only at the borders of the range. That's all about gold, and there is nothing to say more. Can you do New Zealand, please? Euro DAX, please. Okay, I'll do it. My friends, is it clear about gold, or you have some questions? Type into a chat about gold. Right now, also, I think you remember that I have trading new page where I share analysis on everyday basis. Open my trading new page and follow there. You will get a lot of notification and a lot of new ideas. Also, here is our free Telegram channel. Open it and subscribe. There also you will get a lot of useful stuff. Friends, push like, because I see only 6 likes. My friends, I think we deserve better and bigger amount of likes. That's why do it, please, and help me. Gold, clear. Good. Another about gold. Good. USD Canadian. USD Canadian completely depend on oil. If you see that oil started uprise, USD Canadian started uprise, oil dropping. At this moment we have this key level. Still pull back to this key level can generate accurate buy entry at this key level. As you can see, price bounced so many times so accurately. I do believe that these instruments have huge correlation. We have also key level here. If price slowly will approach to this key level, breakout of this key level can also create accurate buy. At this moment, there is no entry. Swiss franc, really interesting. Swiss franc, at this moment, the price in downtrend after this powerful, after this, as you can see, huge range. Price still inside of, price made a pullback here. The huge possibility downtrend will continue, to be honest. because if you would take a look on bigger scale, globally nothing had changed, and from this place price bounced and continue down drop, pull back, can create accurate sell entries. It's all. New Zealand price at this key level, as you can see it here. If price will come back and will break up this key level, it will create accurate buy entry. Still, after this huge uprise, possibilities that pullback can happen. We have two scenarios. At this key level you can buy, and here you can buy, but still price in this uptrend, and you need just to follow. Australia, it would be awesome if the price would hit this key level. That would be maybe one of the best places where you will be able to open buy. Why? Take a look here, paranormal candle, and take a look how price slowly approach to that level, and after that, boom, pull back to this key level, can create accurate entry. Okay, my friends, type your thoughts about USD Canadian, Australia, and New Zealand. I would like to hear and to see your feedback and questions. After that, we will go and we will cover next instruments. Also, what you need to see below this translation here. Type your thoughts about USD Canadian, Australia, and New Zealand. I would like to hear you and to see your feedback and questions. After that, we will go and we will cover next instruments. Also, what you need to see below this translation here. As you can see, type your thoughts about USD Canadian, Australia, and New Zealand. I would like to hear you and to see your feedback and questions. After that, we will go and we will cover next instruments. Also, what you need to see below this translation here. As you can see, type your thoughts about USD Canadian, Australia, and New Zealand. I would like to hear you and to see your feedback and questions. After that, we will go and we will cover next instruments. Also, what you need to see below this translation here. As you can see, type your thoughts about USD Canadian, Australia, and New Zealand. I would like to hear you and to see your feedback and questions. After that, we will go and we will cover next instruments. Also, what you need to see below this translation here. As you can see, type your thoughts about USD Canadian, Australia, and New Zealand. I would like to hear you and to see your feedback. At this moment, I hope you hear only one person. Double sound. Click your double, please. We are having. Yuri, close one. Explore. Yes, I did it. I closed second one. You open YouTube. Yes, my friends, I understand the mistake which I have done. I close it. At this moment, close the tab. Now it's perfect. Good. Thanks. Good. Let's go and let's continue with other instruments. First, about Australia, New Zealand, Australia. As you can see, Australia, this scenario will be the best. About Japanese yen. Japanese yen, as you can see a few days ago, the price bounced, as you can see, from this key level. After that, when someone will tell you that key levels doesn't work, you can make screenshot on this picture and show to them. Weekly chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks price bounced. Another week bounced, another week bounced, and also another week bounced. At this moment, the price inside of this huge range, and to be honest, there is nothing to do for all of us. Better to skip Japanese. Gold, like I told you. About oil. Oil came back below this key level. It is WTI oil. And till price below this key level, it is a down picture. What I expect, if there would be something like triangle and slowly approach to this key level. After breakout of this key level, we will be able to open buy. That's all. We have also such key level on Brent oil, as you can see it here, and also we have key level here. From one of them, the price can bounce. About Brent oil, the price had created this downward channel, and you can see it here. I hope you see this downward channel. Till price in this downward channel, my friends, there is nothing to do. As you can see, price in this downward channel, and no one knows when price will finish the down drop. At this moment, what you should do, you should wait till price will show to us something accurate. Examples of something accurate, it was here, this key level, as you can see here. Price came to this key level, close at high, and take a look here. After false breakout, price didn't drop, and this daily candle closed again above. And from this point, as you can see, price rose up dramatically fast and good. As you can see here, it was really accurate place for buy. The same, and as you can see, price slowly approached to this key level, every low higher and higher. The same you should expect. When we will have something like that, we will trade it. Now it's perfect. Good, good, good. My friends, what about oil? What questions you have about oil? Type it into a chat. My dear friends, what questions about oil do you have? Also, did you follow me on TradingView? Type here in the chat, how many of you follow me on TradingView? If you follow me on TradingView, write one that you follow me. For me, it's interesting to see from all people who are here, how many of you follow me on TradingView. Another 16 minutes here. Friends, I don't see your feedbacks. Yes, only one person. Okay, how many champions do we have here? I would like to see as much champions as it possible. 2 or 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Oh, okay. Good. Good, friends. It's awesome to see all of you here. Thank you for your trust and support. At this moment, euro, Japanese, euro, British pound. At this moment, as you can see, price bounced from this. It looks like it is a range from this point. And take a look here. Price made this key level. So set false breakout here didn't happen, but with huge possibility euro British pound will continue down drop. I thought that with huge possibilities there would be breakout, but that didn't happen. As you can see, key level from this and this point. It looks like it will come back inside and will be in a range. That's why there is no entry at this moment. And euro British pound, you need to remember, what rise up so fast, it also drop down so fast. At this moment, I expect that euro Japanese yen can drop even lower and make a little bit deeper pullback, at least into this area. But still, at this moment, there is no entry. There was entry only on Friday. I sent it to VIP members here to sell euro Japanese yen, and at this moment, with huge possibility, it will continue. And in some of these areas, euro Japanese yen can continue uptrend because it started powerful uptrend. Okay, we covered major currency pairs. My friends, type here, is it the chat is going to be delayed a little bit. Yes. Do you have time from Mexican, please? I'll do Mexican. For a start, I'll do major instruments. My friends, type into a chat what other instruments would you like me to analyze. Euro New Zealand and New Zealand USD I did. Bitcoin, yes, we will cover Bitcoin. Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand. As you can see, I have a chart with free chart, and that's example for you how you should analyze a chart. Example here, price in this range broke it down. At this moment, what we have this slowly downtrend and priority for sell. At this moment, we don't have any sell entry because price there was sell entry only here when price hit this key level from which price bounced so many times. That's why at this moment, if there would be if the price will create some accurate limit level, breakout of that limit level can create accurate sell entries. That's all, because we have powerful downtrend. In other case, if price slowly will come back to this key level, will break it up, only breakout of this key level can create accurate buy. Another example for you, better will be if I will show you my personal trading plans which I would like to trade. Example for you here, British Pound Australia. Take a look. Accurate key level from which price bounced so many times, and price slowly approach to it. If there would be slowly approach again tomorrow, there could be powerful uprise after breakout. That's example of how you should treat key levels. Another example, take a look on this key level from which price bounced so many times, false breakout and powerful down drop. That's the reason why you should pay attention to key levels. And when someone will tell you it doesn't work, show to it. Could you do British Pound Australia? Mate, as you can see, like I feel your question and I didn't saw what you have asked, but you got your analysis. My friends, don't forget to push like, subscribe and follow me. About USD Mexican, USD Mexican peso. Ooh. Powerful uptrend. Powerful uptrend at this moment, my friend. Huge possibility of continue of uprise at least into this area. Why? Because as you can see, this downward trend were broken. In some cases, you can use trend lines because trend lines can help you to see when trend broken. As you can see, here was cap accumulation, and at this moment, I believe even powerful uprise can happen to this into this area. Okay. Okay, my friends. DAX, my friend, USD Swiss franc we already have done. After this stream, you will be able to watch it when it will save. That's why when we will finish stream, just open it again and you will see it. Canadian Swiss franc, I don't have on major list here. Canadian Swiss franc Forex. Okay, Canadian Swiss franc. We always open a higher time frame. As you can see, pullback here had happened. Price in powerful downward trends for so many years, days. At this moment, everything looks like it will drop because we had, as you can see, this accurate mirror level from which price made this uprise and down drop. I think huge possibility it will drop at least into this area or even into this area. Why? Because as you can see, after this uprise, price didn't continue uprise and didn't stop. And also, as you can see, everywhere we have downtrend on this instrument. Best entry will be if pullback to this area will happen. Pullback here would be the best place to open sell entry. DAX, please. DAX, Nasdaq. Yes, about indexes. We have, as you can see, dollar index price at this moment above this key level. As you can see it here. At this moment, you need to see what will be the next, because if this daily candle will close above, there could be continue of power of uprise. But if there would be, if D1 will close below, I believe the downtrend can continue. We have, as you can see, so powerful key level. As you can see how many daily candles bounced. Also, as you see, after this huge accumulation, price continue down drop. That's why wait for accurate entry here. And German index, some of you had asked me about all indexes, US indexes, German indexes, DAX, US 50. What you should see, as you can see, for example, Dow Jones accurate key level from which price bounced so much time here. False breakout, if that would happen here, can create accurate sell entry and can continue down drop, because pullback had happened. Pullback had happened. Price cannot only rise like it was here. And my friends, let's go to Bitcoin. Type into a chat who would like to see a Bitcoin. My dear traders, type into a chat who would like to see a Bitcoin. I will do it, but before it, I would like to remind to you, my dear traders, my dear friends, we have VIP crypto signals and we have VIP Forex signals. You can join our team in a chat. I send contacts to you, and my team will send you all information. Crypto signals, April, we had 70% of profit signals. May, we had nearly 60% of profit signals, and this month we have 8 take profits, only 3 stop losses. That's example how we work together with my team, and you can be part of it. Bitcoin, let's go. Bitcoin to the moon, to the moon. Yes, Bitcoin to the moon. As you can see about Bitcoin, that's an example for you. We sent to our team a sell signal June 9 on our Bitcoin, and still we hold part of position. Price hit second take profit, but we still hold part of position, and we recommend it to our VIP members. Why? Because as you can see, this trend line were broken. After also there was a trend line here. And another reason, after breakout of this key level, price didn't continue uprise and made this powerful down drop. I do believe if there would be a continue, especially if daily candle close below, huge possibility down drop will continue. And if that would happen, we will see Bitcoin at least 8,000 would be a first goal till which Bitcoin will drop. That's all, my friends. Only we will think about something else only if this daily candle will close something like here and will start accumulate. That would be like a trap. Here it would be a trap, and after that would be like a buy signal. But currently sell, and to be honest, we already took a bigger part of position. We took huge take profit with our VIP members, and you also can be part of our VIP group and get signals. As you can see here, it's a signal for this month. Only 3 stop losses, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 take profits, and also you can receive such accurate signals. Bitcoin. Yes, we did Bitcoin, and I just told to you. Pay attention to Bitcoin, always pay attention. And also, what is the most important? There are only one thing which I do not like on Bitcoin. It is volume, that we have volume when price dropping. It showed to us how big players hit stop losses. As you can see, take a look on these stop losses, how many stop losses were hitting in both cases. About long term, as you can see, after halving, price didn't continue uprise, and still price inside of this box. And when price will break out this box, we will see in what case we will have a trend. Example for you here, the price were in huge box, also nearly 1 month, and only after breakout of this box, as you can see, accurate buy trend had started. The same here, price were in this box, and after that breakdown, powerful downtrend had started. After this stop losses, price started powerful uptrend. You need to remember always, for big players, it's important to get enough volume for new trend. Without huge and good powerful volume, big players cannot start a trend. Guys, girls, ladies and gentlemen, what questions you have about Bitcoin? Also, if you think what I just told you useful, right now push like and subscribe at my YouTube channel. Or better, write to my team and ask about signals, powerful outlets, or learn how to trade other markets from us. Or you have money, you can ask me about account management on profit sharing basis. Okay, good. Bitcoin. Some of you had asked me about Ripple. If you would take a look on all instruments, crypto instruments, you would see that all of them just follow Bitcoin. Ripple, accurately, price were in this powerful range, breakdown, as you can see also it here. Huge possibility of down drop. I don't see a reason why price can continue uprise. Example for you here, as you can see, we had this key level by this candle, and price slowly approached to key level, and after that break up happened and price rose up. The same here. Everything looks like price will continue down drop on all instruments. There were only one instrument which I told to my VIP members that instrument can make powerful uprise from key level. As you can see, it is Cardano. Cardano was close to this key level and bounced from it. That's only the one instrument against Bitcoin which, as you can see here, which was in this huge accumulation and broke up this accumulation. That's maybe only the one instrument. Also, this instrument and only link, where is chain link? Link. Also, link second instrument which showed to us like it has its own game. That's all. My friends, I don't see your questions about Bitcoin right now. Type your questions, thoughts about Bitcoin. I wait for you. Okay. What else? About other instruments, I would like to share with you some thoughts which I have, which I would like to trade personally, because many of you ask me about different instruments, but not many of you ask me, Yuri, what you would like to trade personally. First one, it is British Pound Australia. As you can see, every day I have list of instruments which I would like to trade. First one, it is Australia. British Pound Australia, breakout of this key level, for me it would be accurate by entry. Another example, it is DAX index, dollar index, better to say dollar index. Breakdown of this key level can create for me accurate sell entry, because still the price in downtrend and breakout can generate huge powerful down drop. And the next one, it is gold. Pull back to this key level can create accurate sell entry from me. If there would be pullback here, I would like to open sell entry, because price inside of this range, we have this key level here, and here, and pull back to this area can create accurate sell entry. That's all what I would like to trade personally. How and where do I start trading Bitcoin? Mate, if you ask such questions, you need to start with education, because without education, there's nothing to do for you. First, open account only on big exchange. It's important. Why? Because small exchange works like a kitchens, and your losses, it is their profits. Another one, you need to have a strategy. When you will have strategy, step-by-step plan, only in that case you will be able to become a good trader. Also, it's important at the beginning to use proper money management and risk management, because with huge possibility you will blow out first account, and you need to have small account, and you need to trade as long as you can. That's why never start with big account if you start to trade alone, and learn the strategy. About education, you can write to my team and we can teach you how to trade properly Bitcoin and other instruments, because our strategy works on all markets. About crypto, as you can see, it is our statistic. About alone, for you, I do not recommend you to trade alone. Why? Because example for you, Jay wrote to me many months ago and asked me, Yuri, help me because I'm in this situation. He had account 200k, he blew out it. Many of you think that you will have big account, you will become a profitable trader, but not. You will become profitable trader only when you will have strategy, step-by-step plan and good psychology. Only in that case, together, you will become a good trader. And you need to develop that skills. I spent 6 years for developing it. At this moment, I have a student and I taught everything. What took me 6 years, I taught him for 6 months. That's why when you ask about trading, it will not be fast, and also you need to have education. Without education, there is nothing to say. Without education, I do not believe that something good will happen with you. Also today, I will do my free marathon with students. As you can see in our Telegram, many days ago I announced that we have free marathon. At this moment, only 50 people accepted. I sent it on Friday, and at this moment we have 50 people. Maybe in the future I will do another marathon, because at this moment you will not be able to sign up. We have enough people on it, and that will be a good foundation for you. My friends, what questions do you have? Type right now. Also, if you think about something about signals, account management, education, my friends, right now, write to my team here, use this link in a chat and ask all questions. This, I'm waiting for it. Good, my friends. At this moment, what you should do, open my YouTube channel. Many of you ask me, how can I study and how can I trade better? Open my YouTube channel and you will get so many lessons for free, and nearly every week I record and I publish new additional lesson for you. Example here, take a look here. As you can see, open this playlist, best education, and what you will get for free. Trading strategy, key levels, ATR, top mistakes, example how one trader lost 164k, key levels, how to make money, stop losing trading, best place where you can buy Bitcoin, start your career properly, risk management, stop losses, also reasons why people lose money. As you can see, so many lessons here. You can open it and get it for free, completely for free. That's why when some of you ask me about how can you start your trading properly, first what you should do, open this playlist. I would like to share with you this playlist in comments. Open it and just use it. Learn all lessons for the start. Do you think indicators divergence is useful and you can trade based on them? Like how? No, I don't use divergence because there is I don't understand volumes there. For you, it's you need to understand that in all markets, foundation of all markets, it is energy. Energy based of everything. Big players always will hunt for stop losses, and for them always will need and for them it will be important to accumulate huge volume. That's why there will be always that hunt for stop losses, and your strategy must be based on that. If you use some indicators, it is on that stuff doesn't based on big players' behavior, their logic and their needs. That's all. That's why I don't use it. Okay, my friends, don't forget to write now to my team and ask about education signals. Also, right now, those who will join our VIP signals for 1 year package, I will give for you my trading course for free. Right now, write to my team. Thank you for your time. Have a good day. Bye.